Hello everyone, my name is Hashan. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the background from the image using entirely free tool in Windows 11. The Windows 11 Paint app has an advanced background removal tool which is very close to the Canva Pro and Adobe Express in terms of accuracy. Let's say you need to quickly remove the background of an image but you don't want to spend time on advanced tools. So the Windows 11 Paint app is the best solution. Let me show you an example. Here I'm making some monthly marketing report in Microsoft PowerPoint. For this area, I need to place image of this donut chart. The issue is that it has this black background. I need to remove it. If I use the PowerPoint background remove feature, you will see it not quite nice, right? The accuracy is very low. So now let me try another tool in Google. Adobe Express is a really good tool, but you need to sign up and register before it can be used. It's time consuming, so for now I'll skip it. Remove BG is a popular online tool. Let's try it. See, it's not nice either. The purple color is missing. Now let me show you the Windows 11 Paint app. It's a pre-installed Windows app, so you don't need to install it again. To navigate, you can click the Windows button and then type and search for Paint. Here's the app. You can quickly drag and drop the image into the Paint app. Then in the top left menu, you will see that there is a remove background feature icon here. Click it and it will remove the background of the image in a few seconds. See how accurate that is. And the best part is you can download your image as a PNG without losing any quality in a second. You don't need to open Adobe Photoshop. You don't need to use any online tools. It's just simple. Before I save the image, I need to make it transparent. For that, click the layer option. In the bottom section, you need to turn off the background layer. Now you can save the image as a PNG transparent image. Let me finish the work and show you how it looks. Alright, there you have it. The ultimate solution to remove background from image in just a few seconds, entirely free of charge, and there will be no limit to use. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.